Good, good morning, good evening, wherever you people in the world. Manupam Chanda speaking. Today I am coming up with a new topic, that is sustainable logistics and distribution in Mars and Moon. This is a very important topics. Actually, this is a quite new. Those who are basically involved in logistics and distribution for a long time, especially in the earth itself, since it is a this is for basically for Martian mission, microgravity, that is. So from earth, actually, the distribution from supplying of goods from earth to moon and Mars, these two planets specially. So even though that is those who are working in logistics and distribution in earth itself, in different companies, maybe that is, you will get there are many good new informations, that is, which will really should be fruitful for you. And also, that is especially, that is those who are working in ISRO, or working in different space station in US and across the world in different countries. So these informations are very should be very useful for them. So for that is for transportation and logistics in sustainable manner, that is, first we have to calculate, that is what is the empty empty weight of the starship, not on an average. That is, empty starship weight is 100 to 120 tons. And also for the average, and the those who are that is heavy, super heavy, is around 200 to 220 ton, that is empty I'm talking about. So for that, and even though that is, if you can say, in this empty the starship, that is, we have to load, that is, I will give give some brief idea about the inside of the starship, what I have seen in SpaceX and NASA. And this is the starship inside the your top portion, that is the, you can say, in the mouth portion, that is in the triangular. This is the fuel portion, fuel also, in between, you can say, there is one fourth of that is starship, there is also fuel tank is there. And also the engine are placed in the bottom part. So in between, that is, there is a lot of space are there, that is for the logistics and distribution, I think. Different items there are, you considering, that is, for example, that is, before we have to send, that is, 100 people, that is 2000 to 30 to the Mars. And along with that, they have to carry their essential items, from earth to Mars. It takes, that is, 7 months now, that is, we are trying to build more developed engines, that is, so we will be able to send any, that is, starship within a 45 days. That is, this is our, I think this is possible. So that is, nothing is impossible in life. That is, you have in the right approach, and you are in a focused. So now come to the point, that is also, that is that is those who will going to be, that is 2030 in the first visit. Also, that is, these peoples will established over there in the Mars, with 3D printing. So I will come up with different technologies, that is, what are the technologies they are going to be, and what are the instruments they are going to carry for the 3D printing technology. That is, with the help of that, they will build the different buildings and their accommodation and manufacturing units as well. So for that, that is the instruments they will carry. Also, the building material, that is, initially, that we'll try, but we initially will carry from the earth. And after that, that is, whatever, that is, building materials in the soil are available, that is, I'm talking about, that is, raw material, what, that is, I already explained in my previous few, that is two, I think, videos. That is, there is iron, cobalt, nickels, and especially aluminums are available. That is, aluminum, from aluminum we can, that is a main construction material, building material. So we can use a lot with that. So now come to the point why it is sustainable. These logistics and distribution in the outer surface of the starships has to be 100% 100% solar panel should be there. So that is we can save lot of the fuel from that, especially for helium. So this fuel we can save from, we can use most of the time, that is solar energy. Also that is fuel you have to carry both the things, that is we have parallel you have to use, since it is the heavy booster, heavy that is starship. So what are the things that is we are going to what are the technologies we are going to use for this mission. So this for that, that is we are using going to use the wireless communication send these are the topics that is I am explain. I will point wise I will tell first, then I will explain one by one. That is these are the technologies we are going to use: wireless communication and data science, data gather, also second is science observations, data gathering, earth monitoring using GPS system, use of AI, artificial intelligence, chat GTP, 3D printing technologies using the construction of the buildings. Also also that is that is for long time, that is we are used to the traditional radio frequency system for transferring the signals from one region to another. Also the aviation industry, that these systems are using. So now in this for this Mars mission we are going to use ultra secure communication channel by using quantum mechanics. This is a very interesting, this is 100% physics, that is quantum mechanics, also the quantum computer, and there are many, and also basically the quantum physics area. So these are going to use also, that this is in short, this is called, that is quantum key distribution system. So you have to, so this is the latest technology for we are going to use. So so for that, that is what is the wireless communication, what are the things we have to do. That is wireless communication, that is system, that is all the especially the group leader, that is the team leader has to be well equipped. He should carry the all the equipments, this embedded also, that is they have to handle handies, some communication system, that is from earth, they have to immediately, so they will get the signals, the informations, that is according to that they will follow their instructions, and logistics and distribution systems should be controlled. Or then earth gathering, that there is data gather, also the data science. What data science will do, data science and artificial intelligence, these two things basically, basically all the programs has to be also in the oracle cloudways. This has to be installed in their supercomputer, in the starship, in their control room. So that is whatever information that is they will continuously send from earth, it will gather, it will gather in a supercomputer through the oracle and artificial intelligence. All the data has to be arranged, and also with the help of chat GTP to get to get in the systematic way, that is so systematic way, that is you can understand systematic part by part wise, different segment wise, the data collection should be there, it will appear on your computer. So the team leader has to that is do according to that. So now that is what are the things he has to do. That is, for example, that is 1 lakh kilometer maybe he travel. After that, is there any problem he is facing. So for this logistics, for communication I'm talking about, for this quantum mechanics principle. So this is the ultra secure communication channel. So this is the latest technology for that, that is they will get the quick information according to that. So they will proceed. earth monitoring GPS system. So this is also one more thing, that is, so there is a high panel sensor system also embedded on the surface, on the top surface of the starship. So also there is one thing that is we'll keep in mind when the starship will travel, that is their outside temperature of the starship should be approximately, that is on an 1600 degree temperature. This is very high temperature. So just imagine, in this temperature, whatever outside your sensor for the GPS system, also the ultra secure communication system has to sustain. So all the testings that is we have seen in there on the earth itself, in the similar type of environment, create the similar type of temperature in the that is closed chamber, the carry out the testing. So your sensor panel, GPS system, or the ultra secure communication system panels are surviving in this temperature or not. It is, so we are testing everything and make it clear, okay, it is true, then it is they, so they install it for launching. So this is the thing also, that is lot of things, lot of that is they have to along with that they have to carry the food. Each and every that is packet has to be barcoding system, identification system should be there, and GPS sticker has to be there. Also the according to that, the sensor systems should be attached with that. So that is for each, for this should be totally computerized. Also inside the their small warehouse should be there, inside their inside the starship, that is all the materials should be kept in a rack wise, with alphabetically, with stickering, with identification item wise identification. So anyone that is can take out their sometimes food, electronics, electrical materials, and others, that is what are the things are required for their daily life. Also inside inside the starship there is exercise room should be there, gym, that is they can do, because from the since the gravity is, it will change continuously, so they have to keep mentally and physically fit. So these are the instruments I am talking about, these are the little bit heavier instrument. So all these things has to they should be there. So these are the your song should be there. So as per the logistics and distribution systems will start above the 250-kilometer altitude. The from that is it will start. So so that is this is the actually the basically the what are the systems, these are the technology are going to use, that is for using AI, chat GTP, then oracle management systems for the cloud based, and also the sensoring and transporting the messages from earth to the satellite area, and earth to Mars, and from Mars to that is from the earth in our operating chamber, operating systems. So in these systems, that is quantum secure communication channel, that is the quantum mechanics principle is playing the major role. So we should be thorough enough. Only those who are very knowledgeable, that is physics background. So for that, those for my others knowledge students, they can take this opportunity to make their career for after the 10 plus 2 in India. So they can go for the engineering physics, so aviation industry, so then astrophysics, they can consider this type of field, so that they can go. Also there are programming side also, that is people those are interested for the space technology, they can go for they can concentrate on the Oracle cloud based, they can go. So also there are few people take you can do the computer programming also, there is course you can do for the artificial intelligence, that is a chat GTP, so they can come in this field also. I'm giving some guidelines for the coming scientists or those are interested in the space research field, for the coming students, that is new students. Also, that is, there are few very good conferences in the space related, like the space logistics and logistics conferences in going to happen in the September 27th in Las Vegas. So I'm going to attend at least three. And also that is icon to that is also that is it is in Texas. They going to happen in the month of August. And Envision to for the TBA. So also the one more that is conference actually Inspire. So the all the logistics and distribution. So what are the latest technology they are going to use, and to make their life more comfortable, sustainable, and reduce the cost. That is how you can apply the latest technology, and that is how you can save the cost, the fuel cost. You can how you can use more and more, that is that is solar power energy. So the this is the also that is there are very good conference, that is Oracle Supply Chain Management in New York in the month of December. Also the 10th International Conference on Mars, this is in Pasadena in California, July 2022 to 25. There is 4 days conference. These are the very good conferences, that is I am going to attend the three. One is Space Logistics Conference on Vegas. So then I am going to attend the Oracle Supply Chain Management in New York in October. And third is 10th International Conference on Mars, Pasadena, California, July on 22-25. So those who are interested in space technology and especially in logistics and distribution, also in the overall how the space technology works in future, that is how that is in the Mars planet will be ready to survive. We can go and survive there. So these all these things, that is what are the preparation, that is from it will take, for example, is 2024. So maybe by 2000 to 2064 or 2090, it will be very much sustainable, very much, that is weather should be very much better, that is to sustain the human habitats. So before that, that is we have to keep the planet ready for ready to stay. So before that, there are many lot of works are there. That is when first batch, that is when it will go, that is we have to plan accordingly. So unless we plan at least for 10, 15 or 20 or 30 years before, so you cannot make it. So that is there are many, since it is a temperature is critical, gravity difference is there. So there are many things, there are many those materials are available, easily available there itself. It is not available in mud soil. So we have to think according to their availability package, the availability of the raw materials for the, since that is the petroleum is not available. So we have to think for alternative of plastics. So aluminum we can think, zinc, chromium, these are the material available. So for aluminum, that is since it is available, so we can think for building material for aluminum. So I think so that you got that is little idea, that is how that is we can make the logistics and distribution for the Mars and Moon mission more sustainable, in sustainable in terms of the, so how you can use optimum use of the fuel. That is we have to use the maximum of solar energy. Then we can use the lighter weight of the or the different instruments, whether engineering goods. Then but that's most of the cases, that is the food packaging you can say, and keeping the foods in a different boxes we have to avoid, that is heavyweight boxes. Then different types of engineering goods, mechanical, electrical, electronics goods, that is these are the things are, that is we have to we have to produce according to the sustainable as well as lightweight, in order to reduce the overall gross weight of the Starship. So this is the brief actually. So many people will come to know that is how the Starship works in, and what are the plan we have. We are we are doing some plans for approaching that is 2030 Mars human Mars mission. So I think that is, if people like, that is tomorrow or day after, I will come up with what new topics for the, especially for the microgravity, or any new topic which will really help for you. That is, thank you very much for seeing this my video. Thank you very much.